Well, hey folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Old Man in the Land of Grills. And yes, we are. We're going to do rotisserie chicken. Rotisserie chicken on that? Tom, there's no... Hang on, what is that? So folks, if you're wondering, I'll leave the link down below to the video where we attached a rotisserie to the Char-Griller 980 Gravity Charcoal Grill, folks. And you're saying, come on, really? You can put a rotisserie in there? Yeah, and you know what? We're going to find out today if it works. We did all the installation, and you know it's not going to be any good unless we can spin a couple chickens on there. And that's what we got today. We got a couple chickens. I'll tell you what, we're going to get them on the spit and get them spinning, give you a look-see so you can see whether it works or not. All right, let's take a look at the setup before we get those birds a-turning here. Got our diffuser covered with aluminum foil. I do cover mine in aluminum foil, makes it easier to clean up. Did a video on it. I do cut open the slots, as you can see. And then what we've done to prep is we've taken out, we've got these stainless steel fender washers with a wing nut and a nut that they block that when you're not using it. And now that's off, your rod will go through there. The motor's off because what happens is, and I'll show you how I swing the bird in and then through the hole and then back in, and then put the motor on and then get it all set up and then in its collar over there. I'll tell you what, let's just get this fired up. If you're wondering what we're doing here, we've got B&B in there, briquettes. You're saying B&B, you never heard of B&B before. This is B&B right here, folks. Hotter, longer, cleaner. Love that stuff. And they've got an excellent lump too, but their briquettes, top notch. So get this going, and this guy over here is saying, hey, you know, I have a rotisserie too. I know we've used your rotisserie. Now we're using the rotisserie on this guy over here. Let's get her fired up, get them birds a-turning. All right, we got everything fired up here. There's our bird. No seasoning, and we'll season it up when we get it on the spit. 225 is what we're set at. Look at our lid here, and still dialing itself in. On the right side here, a little less, right around 200. And on the left side there, right around that 225. So, you know, those who are questioning if that's accurate, I'm telling you what, that's pretty accurate. So let's, so the theory is here, and I've practiced with this, is that, here, let's open this up. We gotta go in through that hole right there on the end, and then we're gonna go at an angle and pull it back so it sits up there, and then we'll put our motor on, and then we'll get that collar goes in there, and yeah, in theory that's how it's going to work. So let's find out. Actually, you got to go in like this first, and then get all the way in there like that. And then our mortar can go on. I know I'm not showing you that, but take my word for it. The mortar can go on, and then this goes in the collar, just like that. And then we're spinning. Folks, I'm not very good at tying up chickens, so you're laughing right now. Go right ahead. I'm laughing with you. All right, so we're going to season this up and get to cooking. All right, that's what I'm using for seasoning, folks. If you're wondering, this kit does come with a weight, but I haven't seen a need here to put it on. We'll take another look. I was concerned that these probes would hit it, but I've been watching. And we're turning, and I'm not hearing any resistance. So it is tight down on the diffuser there. I mean, it almost looks like it's hitting just a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on that, folks. If anything, this could have maybe been brought up an inch, you know, give it a little bit more clearance. So folks, that's why I do this. So you can see, you can see where it's rubbing. So you can learn from my mistakes. So if you put this on, I thought I had it pretty centered, but apparently it could have been about an inch higher. All right, about an hour and a half, folks. I did turn things up to 325. I didn't get this on until later in the day, so I don't want to I don't want to wait all day long. So 325 there, 325 on the left, and about 300 on the right. So a little bit cooler near the charcoal box as opposed to away. Let's see. First of all, things are still turning, so that's good. Oh yeah, look at that. Rounding up really, really nice. See how the aluminum foil works on keeping things clean? Oh man, that is some nice looking bird right there. Oh man. All right, we'll keep on going. Give you a look-see. All right, folks, so I kind of lost track of time. It's 2 hours and 15 minutes. Oh man. Look at that rotisserie chicken. That is doggone nice looking right there. Let's take a temp. We've got our ink bird out. Let's turn it off. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, you want to see it too, don't you? It's 92 out here today, by the way. Ouch. That's done. That's done. Oh yeah. Long done. That's what happens when you get busy doing other things. All right, so I'm going to close this down, turn it back on. I'm gonna let the fan go until she gets herself back up to temp, and then I'm gonna shut it off. And then we're gonna take them off. I'm putting 2 bowls, put it in a big stainless steel bowl, and I'm gonna let it rest in there for like maybe an hour, and then we'll pull it, give you a look, see at the final product. Oh man, there's our chicken after I had some. But on the Char-Griller, on the rotisserie, I'll tell you what, Char-Griller 980 gravity with the rotisserie on it turned out great. And yes, when I pull my chicken, I season it afterwards. Burn Pit Barbecue, all ration, www.burnpitbarbecue.com. Minority owned business, veteran owned business, folks, please give them a shout. It's gonna be great. Tom Horseman at YouTube, hope you like this. Leave a comment, and as always, thanks for watching.